Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you 10 effective home workouts perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Now, I know starting a fitness journey can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. We've got you covered with these simple yet powerful exercises that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. No fancy equipment needed, just your determination and a bit of space. Whether you're looking to lose weight, tone up, or just get moving, these workouts are a fantastic place to start. So grab your workout gear, and let's dive into these 10 beginner-friendly exercises that will have you feeling fitter and stronger in no time. Ready? Let's go! Alright, let's kick things off with jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and warm up your entire body. To perform a jumping jack, start by standing with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs out to shoulder width apart while simultaneously raising your arms above your head. Then, jump back to the starting position. Aim for 30 seconds to a minute of jumping jacks to get started. Remember, it's important to keep a steady pace and focus on your breathing. Make sure you're getting the full range of motion to maximize the benefits of the exercise. If you're a beginner, take it slow and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Next up, we have push-ups. This is a fundamental exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back up to the starting position. If you're new to this exercise, you can modify it by performing the push-up on your knees. Focus on keeping your body straight and engaging your core throughout the movement. Avoid letting your hips sag or your back arch. This will help prevent strain on your lower back and ensure you're working the targeted muscles effectively. Push-ups are fantastic for building upper body strength and enhancing core stability. Now let's move on to squats. Squats are a fantastic lower body exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes slightly turned out. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Once your thighs are parallel to the floor, push through your heels to return to the starting position. When performing squats, it's essential to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Keep your knees in line with your toes and avoid letting them cave inward. Focus on keeping your chest up and your back straight throughout the movement. If you're a beginner, start with bodyweight squats and gradually add resistance as you become more comfortable. Chapter 4. Lunges. Moving on, let's talk about lunges. Lunges are a fundamental exercise that can be done anywhere, whether at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. Lunges are another excellent lower body exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. They help in building strength, improving balance, and enhancing flexibility. To perform a lunge, start by standing with your feet together. Make sure you are in a comfortable position and ready to engage your core. Take a big step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Ensure that your front knee is directly above your ankle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, then repeat on the other side. This alternating motion helps in working both legs equally. When performing lunges, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Incorrect form can lead to strain on your knees and lower back. Keep your chest up and your back straight throughout the movement. Engaging your core will help in maintaining this posture. Focus on taking a big enough step forward so that your knee stays in line with your ankle. This ensures that you are working the right muscles effectively. If you're a beginner, you can hold onto a chair or wall for balance as you perform the movement. This will help you build confidence and stability as you progress. Chapter 5. Plank. Next, we have the plank. The plank is an excellent core exercise that targets your abs, back, and shoulders. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and hold this position for as long as you can, keeping your body straight and your hips level. Planks are fantastic for building core strength and improving overall stability. When performing a plank, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Keep your body straight and avoid letting your hips sag or your back arch. If you're a beginner, start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as you build strength. Chapter 6. Glute Bridges. Let's move on to glute bridges. This exercise targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Lower your hips back down to the starting position, and repeat. When performing glute bridges, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Focus on squeezing your glutes and keeping your core engaged to maintain a neutral spine. If you're a beginner, start with bodyweight glute bridges and gradually add resistance as you become more comfortable. Chapter 7: Mountain Climbers. Now let's talk about mountain climbers. This is a dynamic exercise that targets your core, shoulders, and legs. To perform mountain climbers, start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing the other knee towards your chest. Continue alternating legs at a fast pace, as if you're running in place. When performing mountain climbers, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Keep your body straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line and driving your knees towards your chest. If you're a beginner, start with a slower pace and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Chapter 8: Bicycle Crunches. Next up we have bicycle crunches, a dynamic and effective exercise for your core. This is an excellent core exercise that targets your abs and obliques, helping to build strength and definition in these areas. To perform bicycle crunches, lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted off the ground, knees bent at a 90-degree angle. This is your starting position. Bring one knee towards your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards the knee. This movement engages your obliques and helps to tone your waistline. Switch sides, bringing the other knee towards your chest and the opposite elbow towards the knee. Make sure to keep your movements smooth and controlled. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion, as if you are riding a bicycle. This continuous motion will keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. When performing bicycle crunches, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor and avoid pulling on your neck. Focus on controlled, deliberate movements and engaging your core muscles throughout the exercise. This will maximize the effectiveness of the workout and help you achieve better results. If you're a beginner, start with a slower pace and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Remember, quality over quantity is key to avoiding injury and getting the most out of your workout. Chapter 9: Tricep Dips. Let's move on to tricep dips. This is a fantastic exercise that you can do almost anywhere, making it perfect for home workouts. This exercise targets your triceps, shoulders, and chest. It's a compound movement that engages multiple muscle groups, providing a comprehensive upper body workout. To perform tricep dips, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench with your hands placed next to your hips. Ensure the chair is stable to avoid any accidents. Slide your hips off the edge of the chair and lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Keep your movements controlled and steady. Push through your hands to return to the starting position. Focus on engaging your triceps as you lift your body back up. When performing tricep dips, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Incorrect form can put unnecessary strain on your shoulders and wrists. Keep your elbows close to your body and avoid letting them flare out to the sides. This ensures that your triceps are doing most of the work. If you're a beginner, start with a smaller range of motion and gradually increase the depth of your dips as you become more comfortable. Consistency and proper technique are key to making progress. Chapter 10: High Knees. Finally, let's talk about high knees. This is a dynamic exercise that targets your legs, core, and cardiovascular system. To perform high knees, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Quickly drive one knee towards your chest, then switch legs, bringing the other knee towards your chest. Continue alternating legs at a fast pace as if you're running in place. When performing high knees, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Focus on driving your knees towards your chest and maintaining a fast pace. If you're a beginner, start with a slower pace and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. See you next time. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. These 10 effective home workouts are a great way to start your journey towards a healthier and fitter you. Incorporate them into your routine, and you'll start seeing results in no time. We love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments which exercise was your favorite and what other workouts you'd like to see. Your feedback helps us create content that you enjoy and find helpful. Stay motivated, stay active, and keep pushing yourself to reach your fitness goals. Thanks again for watching,